What's up, everybody? It's your boy PokeSharKJ, and I'm back with another video. And today we are opening up the brand new Fusion Strikes. I got 5 packs, so let's shred them right open and see what we got. Alright guys, here goes our 5 packs of Fusion Strike. I'm gonna start it off with this pack here. Gengar. Maybe. Goodness gracious. Oh, it's upside down. Code guard for you guys. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And here we go. We got Dancer, Lapras, Melton, Toxel, Staryu, our reverse holo is Electrode, and our rare is holographic Butterfree. In our energy card. And our next pack is another Gengar. Code card for y'all guys. We got 3 to the front. Oops. And here we go. We got Spongy Gloves, Simisear, Farewell Bell, Baltoy, Vulpix, Chansey, Galarian Zigzagoon, Mankey. Our reverse holo is Latias, and our rare is Greedent V. In our energy card. In our next pack. Not sure why I'm showing you guys the box. This pack has Mew on it. Because the boxes are different from the packs itself. And our code card. 3 to the front. And we have Dancer, Hololancha, Lapras, Mainton, Rubbin, Rotom, Smurgle. It's a neat looking Smurgle card. Carvana. Our reverse holo is Trubbish, and our rare is Oricoa in our energy card. In our next pack, Botown, code card for y'all guys. 3 to the front. And here we go. We got Skater's Part, Marshtomp, Smurgle, Morpeko, Skarmory, Shelmet, and our reverse holo is Quick Ball. And our rare is Cinderace VMAX. Yes. It's a nice looking, it's a pretty cool looking card. And our energy card. And our last pack of Fusion Strike. What can we pull? Code card. 3 to the front. And here we go. We have Flinks, Simisage, Sizzlepede, Stuffle, Sandygas, Pulse, Vulpix. Our reverse holo is Morgrem, and our rare is Excelgor, non-holo, and our energy card. So out of the 5 packs, we got 3 hits. We got Cinderace VMAX, Greedent V, and Butterfree. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.